Hello and welcome to the Midday Minute. This is the latest update from our newsroom. The flow of clouds over Muscat and other governorates of the Sultanate is expected to continue, and rainfall has been forecasted for some wilayats according to the Oman Meteorology Department. Temperatures will vary between 2 degrees Celsius in Saik to 28 degrees in Salalah. The temperature on Sunday will be 18 degrees in Khasab, 19 degrees in Buraimi, 21 degrees in Ibri, 22 degrees in Rostaq, 23 degrees in Ibra, 24 degrees in Muscat, Sur, Masira and Haima, and 25 degrees in Nizwa and Sohar. For more interesting updates, keep watching Times TV.